Some on-chain developments around XRP kept Ripple traders and investors on edge. However, can these on-chain strides change the fate of XRP price? Besides, we will be looking at the latest update concerning the Ripple versus SEC court case. If all this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag XRP. The winner will be announced on December 15th. JP Morgan, an American banking giant, joined forces with Ripple partner Al-Fardan Exchange to offer customers value transfers. Proponents say the partnership will enable transactions in leading fiat currencies and same-day transfers in record time. Hassan Fardan Al-Farhan, CEO of the money transfer firm, said that the company's collaboration with global banking giant JP Morgan is attracting major global players from the financial industry who are returning to the UAE market. The exchange's users will access the service through the mobile application Alpha Pay, which can be used for making remittances and paying bills. In making strides with new partnerships and expanding its global presence, Ripple is forging ahead regardless of its ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, who have alleged Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency should be classed as a security with all the legal and regulatory implications that would entail. Ripple's team of lawyers, however, are confident they can win the SEC versus Ripple case. Also, we should point out that Congressman criticizes SEC's Gensler. Meanwhile, crypto developments are also afoot in the United States. For instance, U.S. Congressman Tom Emmer criticized SEC Chair Gary Gensler for his woeful approach to regulating the cryptocurrency industry. Emmer pointed out that the collapse and fallout of Celsius, Voyager, Terra Luna, and now FTX all occurred under his watch. Having met with FTX leadership in March, Emmer also accused Gensler of working with Sam Bankman-Fried and others to give them special treatment. In addition to being ineffectual at protecting consumers, Emmer also described Gensler's approach as burdensome and stifling innovation. This is likely a reference to the SEC's ongoing litigation with Ripple and its XRP token. What is the regulator responsible for this doing, going after good actors in the community and working backroom deals, it appears, with people who are doing nefarious things? Asked Emmer. Aside from recent crypto market events, such as high-profile bankruptcy filings and the subsequent market downturn, a portion of the industry's attention has been focused on the ongoing case pitting Ripple against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Indeed, there have been rumors that the case is now nearing a conclusion, with speculations that the involved parties will likely settle the matter. Certainly, the outcome of the case will have an impact on the overall cryptocurrency market. The decision will most likely define which digital assets are considered securities under U.S. law. As of now, both parties have made final bids in the hopes of receiving a favorable ruling from presiding Judge Annalisa Torres. Ripple argued in the final briefs that the regulator wants a ruling declaring XRP to be an investment contract, but without any contract, without any investor rights, and without any issuer obligations. According to Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderity, the final submission requests that the court rule in favor of the company. On December 3rd, the attorney tweeted that the company was proud of its defense on behalf of the entire crypto industry. According to Ripple, the SEC failed to demonstrate that the XRP sale between 2013 and 2020 was an offer of an investment contract, and thus a security under federal securities laws. As a result, the blockchain company stated that the court should grant the defendant's motion and deny the SEC's motion. Investors are keeping an eye on the value of XRP and how the outcome will affect the 7th-ranked cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It is worth noting that XRP has previously rallied, with the court issuing minor rulings in Ripple's favor. For example, the token rose after the judge accepted supportive briefs from XRP-using companies and cryptocurrency industry groups. Ripple scored another victory after the court rejected the regulator's attempt to withhold documents pertaining to former division director William Hinman. The documents included Hinman's speech in which he stated that Ethereum is a security. Interestingly, Despite Ripple's legal troubles, investors continue to back the company, propelling it to a $15 billion valuation by November 2022. In this category, Ripple is ranked 10th among the most valuable startups in the United States, and it is the only crypto firm on the list. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. XRP trade volumes increased steadily, indicating that retailers were up to something. While there was no notable retail euphoria to aid price action, the volume increase may result in higher retail-induced volatility for the XRP price. Along with increased trade volumes, the XRP daily active addresses appreciated by nearly 200%. Since November 30th, XRP active addresses has been making higher highs, rising from 51,161 on December 4th to 161,000 at the time of this video. While XRP volatility has decreased slightly, it remains high. As more participants have moved the XRP price, it is possible that some significant market price swings can be expected. While retail participants made some unusual moves, Ripple whales remain skeptical of the XRP price. According to a recent Whale Alerts alert, 35 million XRP worth $13 millions was transferred from an unknown wallet to Bitstamp. Whales sending coins or tokens to exchanges generally indicate either redistribution or liquidation. Ripple whales making moves in the market can cause short-term price changes in the spot market. Short-term volatility is to be expected, but a bullish swing could push price action above 40 cents. In the event of a pullback, the XRP price may return to the lower 37 cents level. The XRP price has been battling the 38 cents support level. Investors should keep in mind that this level was a major barrier in June and remains extremely significant. Depending on how the remittance token reacts to this level, it could take off or fall sharply. After briefly hovering above 50, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has fallen below it. This drop indicates that the bulls are winning and the bears are losing momentum. However, the current XRP price decline could be a ploy by market makers to collect sell-stop liquidity. As a result, investors should tread carefully and maintain a directional bias. A quick rally above $0.382, followed by a liquidity run, will indicate manipulation. In such a case, market participants can anticipate that the remittance token will continue to rise. The 44 cents and 50 cents levels are significant profit barriers for holders. This move would result in a 25% increase in the price of XRP. Now, down to our current XRP price prediction. It is worth noting that despite the current market conditions, the minor victories have helped XRP maintain a bullish momentum in 2022. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.